Our products must meet more and more requirements. Of course, it helps to have an overview of the current regulations. This is why we have published an Eco-Design Guideline at SEW-EURODRIVE. It includes the current legal and normative requirements. In addition, the Eco-Design Guideline contains many examples of best practice. We are a pioneer in sustainability because this document also contains targets that go beyond the current legal requirements. Of course, we won't stop there. Sustainability is not a project, but a task. The Eco-Design Guideline is therefore constantly adapted to current needs and opportunities. This ensures that our product development is always up to date.